In this meditation, we are going to be washing away all your worldly problems. The stresses, the anxieties, the worries, the resentment, the jealousy, the anger. All these negative attachments are going to lose grip, and you're going to be your true self once again. Grounded and at peace with your surroundings. You are walking through a forest. It's autumn time, and you can see the beautiful colours of the leaves, the yellows, the oranges. The wind is blowing gently against your face, and it's giving you goosebumps because it's not too cold, it's just right. Beneath your feet there's a slightly muddy path, and you are moving forward, stepping into the mud, and you can see the mud squelching below your feet every step you take. You feel like you are on a journey to a place that's going to allow you to feel like yourself again. You know you're going to be able to let go of all your worldly issues. And the place that you are going has purpose. You are meant to go there. All of a sudden, in front of you, you can see a waterfall. And above the waterfall is a small rainbow where the light is shining against the water, and it's splitting the spectrum into all its individual beautiful colours. The waterfall itself is glistening with the sun shining against it, and surrounding the waterfall is a lake that is not too deep, it's just about knee height. So you decide to step into it. As you step into the lake, you immediately feel this connection with the water. The purity of the water is permeating into your skin. You can feel the goodness moving from this liquid form into your physical form. And it's allowing you to feel energized and real. And you feel very grounded in this moment. You're being attracted to the waterfall. It's almost like you're being magnetically drawn to it. And you take that as a sign that the waterfall wants you to bathe underneath the beautiful falling water. You step towards the waterfall, and then you feel the splashback of water hitting your face. This is immediately rejuvenating. You can only imagine how amazing it's going to feel when you put your whole body underneath the waterfall. You almost feel tearful in a way. Good tears, not sad tears. Because you've been so caught up in your problems and your issues that you've forgotten how it is to feel good about yourself. Feel truly one with nature and your surroundings. And you're going to stand here for a moment, feeling the water splash against your face, and taking this as an unconscious reminder to give yourself this time and space more often to feel this connection more often, because you've just remembered how important it is. You take a step underneath the waterfall, and all of a sudden your body is covered in this water, and it feels like nothing you have ever felt before. Complete and utter bliss. It's a magical feeling. Goosebumps, tingling feeling all over your body, over your head, over your shoulders, your belly, your legs, your arms, out into your toes and your fingers. You can feel the anxiety and stress leaving the body, and all that's left is you breathing in this soothing cold air, and feeling the cold embrace of this waterfall. Focus on your breathing now. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. I'm going to give you some time now to just focus on your breathing and allow the water to wash away all the worldly issues. So all that is left is the perfect you. You look up directly into the water, so the water is splashing against your face. And you open your eyes, and once again, you can see these colours of the rainbow, but this time they're dancing through the water droplets. This is making you feel great, seeing these colours dance around you, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. It's like a display just for you. You say thank you and then take a step out of the waterfall. I want you to remind yourself in your day-to-day life that you can come back to this feeling of serenity whenever you want. When things are getting on top of you, when you're feeling overwhelmed, revert back to this feeling of content. Because this place you are safe and secure. No one can touch your inner reality. You will always be you. And as long as you can revert back to the real you, then you will always find a way of escaping your stresses.